I mean, look at the colors on that fish. Beautiful. Man, I love this creek. I'm back here to fish it today. It's September, but it just started cooling down. It's only 65 outside, and it's partly cloudy. I'm gonna use a hopper with a big stonefly nymph. Got one on the nymph, stonefly nymph. Sweet. Big stonefly nymph. I was about to change. It is a dark color, which is good on a dark day like today. All right, first fish of the day. Pop right off. Pretty average fish for this creek. Oh, there he goes. And here's what I got him on. Big ol' ugly stonefly nymph. Got one. Copper John, Copper John. Got some hopper bites. Switch the big stonefly nymph to the Copper John, so a little bit of a smaller nymph. Little brown trout. See you, bud. Cool. Oh, on the hopper, jeez. Ah. Yanked him out of there. Nailed that hopper. Cool. Wow. Nice little brown that ate the hopper. Oh, that was a bad release. I'm sorry. Well, he's doing all right, man. Oh, I had one on the nymph right there. I'm hook setting too hard. Got him. Got him that time. I don't know if it's the same fish or what. It'd be cool to catch a rainbow today. It's mostly browns in here. Little brown. Little brown on the Copper John nymph. See you, buddy. Sweet. Oh, I see him in there. Got him. A little bit better. Oh, it fell right off. That's cool. I thought I scooped that fish because I saw him swim away and then he bit. Or maybe it was a different fish. I don't know. The slower I work these spots, the more possibilities arise. Oh, man. You see that? He flew up for the hopper. That was crazy. That was crazy. Hey! Got one. Got one. You're liking the nymph today? Got some good ones on hoppers. Got some good eats. Gotta love it. See you, buddy. Woo-hoo. Wow, the fishing is so good today. Next cast, I got one. That was 2 casts later. Had a little bit of a better one. All right. Yeah, I only had my 9-foot 5 weight with me. I could have brought my my 7.5 foot rod. But I fished a slightly bigger creek yesterday. Ooh, that's a better one. Solid 8-incher. So yeah, I only have a rod that's a little big for this creek, but it's getting the job done. I usually fish a 7.5 foot 4-weight on creeks like this. Oh, he came up and ate the hopper, and I'm snagged in the tree. Hey, there's another fly up there. Shoot. I think I'm screwed though. All right. Took a quick break while it was drizzling. Put a different hopper on. It's kind of old. And another Copper John. Here comes a big one. I see a big one. Oh, I got him. That's a tiny one. That was not a big one. I saw a really big one in there. Got one. Nice fish. Nice fish. Or maybe it's just heavy current. That's a pretty decent one. He's trying to get me in those sticks. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. Not huge, but he's good. Solid 8 inches. Oh, and it's a beautiful brown trout. Really, really nice brown. Look at those spots. See you, buddy. I feel like I'm getting close to the end of this stretch that I want to fish. It's getting a little canyony and not much fishable water up here. We'll see. We'll see. Oh my God, hopper! Hopper! There's my hopper fish in the rain. Oh, it came off. Oh well, that was crazy. Let's see about this little pool. So much good looking water around here. Oh, he got the hopper too. Ah, 2 hopper fish in a row. Didn't land them, but that was cool. Huh? Crazy wave. Oh, I got one. Nice, nice. Some crazy waves in there. Gosh, these fish are chasing my nymphs around. They're really fired up today. They're just loving that. Copper John. Copper John. Another little guy. Put him back. As my friend Joe of Random Fishing says, put him back. And that's what I say too. Because I put him back. Got one. Lost count of all the fish today. At least 20 in 2 hours. Oh, big one in there. Big one under the rock. Right under that rock. Got him! Got him on the hopper. Big fish. Might be the best one of the day. Huh? Close. 8 or 9 inches. On the hopper. Yeah, I think that's the best fish of the day. I saw him right there under that rock. And he came and looked at it, said no, and he came back and couldn't deny my hopper. Wow, look at this little canyon. What a beautiful section. Holy cow. Oh, come back, got him. Oh. Yep. Oh. Got him. Nice one. Nice fish. Oh my gosh. Hey, is that a rainbow? I think that's a rainbow. Cool. First rainbow today. Oh, that's a beauty. Oh, gorgeous rainbow. I mean, look at the colors on that fish. Beautiful. There he goes. Sweet. There's one. That was another rainbow. I think we've entered Rainbow Town here. Rainbow Town, bruh. Oh, what? Where'd you come from? It's always right when I recast, dude. Got one. Yep. Dark fish. Whoa, that's a really dark brown. It's crazy looking. Whoa. Really interesting colored fish. So dark. Got him. Nice fish. Yeah, just another little, I don't know, 7-incher. Gosh, that's beautiful. I think I'm gonna end it here. I've caught so many fish. So thanks for coming along on my creeking adventure today. I've never had a bad day at this creek, but yeah, can't beat it. What a day. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.